Welcome back to another video. Today we are at the beach in Cornwall. Lovely place.
Lovely place. Yeah, and we're gonna be chasing some seagulls.
Yeah.
Seagulls.
Maybe do some swamp whips. Maybe. Might not. Because I started trampolining like 2 months ago. Wait, no.
This video is gonna be called Chasing Seagulls. There's a seagull over there. Let's go. Hey, seagull! Oh! Wait.
So guys, we will be going down to the beach for a little bit.
Well, I'm not gonna go in the water.
Not going in.
Look,
Maybe
there's a seagull there. Down. Let's go. It's over here now. Hey, seagull. Ooh. Ew, what is this? Why does wet sand feel so weird when it's like wrinkly? The tide's coming in. Look at this stuff. It's all wrinkly. Ew! Ugh. Yes, it's not wrinkly anymore. Whoa!
Found it.
Whoa! This is sick. This is kind of wrinkly water. Whoa, this is like quicksand. Toby! This is like quicksand. Look. It's like quicksand when you do this.
Go a little bit closer
to that area. Yeah, we need to be chasing seagulls.
Yeah.
Each seagull, we make flyaways. Each like and subscribe you should do. Well, you can only subscribe once if you're on your...
If we chase a seagull, you have to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
Yeah, and if we get like at least 5 likes, I will gift one of you guys a Fortnite skin if you just give me your name tag. Yeah, go and type in the comments your name tag. Each and every one of you I will gift a skin, an emote, just maybe anything in the item shop except for like 2,000s. I'm not that rich. Look, seagull. Look, a kid's chasing it. Whoa. There's 2. Oh, there's a seagull here. There's one next to you. Hey. Ooh. Bruh, how you not scared of me? He wants to play games, huh? The seagull. There's one there. Ooh. Hey, Mr. Seagull. What are you doing? I'm so tired. Look at this dude. Ooh. Look at these ones, they're so pretty. There's one here. Oh, free. Look at that one itching at the back. Don't know. Oh. I'm so out of breath. There's one here. Oh!
Oh yeah, I can see it.
Did you see that? Look. Oh, there's some here. Look. Right here. Oh. Aw, no, don't fight. Here are some more. Oh, I'm going over here. Oh, this gets very tiring. Like literally, this gets so tiring. Oh. Oh. Okay. I see Kean and Callum. Seagull. Oh, they're singing. Sing. Keep singing. I want to get views. If you don't sing, you're going to get the chasey wacy. There's one right here. Whoa. Look, one's just sitting down. Doosh. 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 The kids there. Okay, I'm going to Toby and that. Oh, this is so fun chasing seagulls. There goes one right over there. Oh. There's no more seagulls really. My mum wants me to go to her. I think she wants me to end the video. This might be the last YouTube video until I leave holiday. Maybe not. Oh. Are we burying Callum? Well, just his feet.
Alright, shall I lift you out so it's a clean hole? Ready? No, let me lift you out so it's clean. Ah! Whoa!
Whoa! That looks like a volcano. Whoa! Wait. Whoa! That was. Wait, let me put the phone down there.
Oh, I love if you drop it.
Oh, I've got some sand on it. Yeah, that's alright.
Oh yeah, we put water in it.
Wait, should we put water in it?
We'd have a bucket.
Oh yeah. I want to buy a bucket. Okay. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Huh? Yeah? Yeah, Mum?
Where's Toby?
I don't know.
You went running down there with me.
Okay. Bye, guys. Bye. Wait. Oh, I didn't end it. Mum, can you do the intro by saying bye?
Bye.